How to convert zip file to APK in Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a zip file to an APK on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the File Manager app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the File Manager app, simply locate the zip file that you have downloaded. And now here, once you have found that, just tap and hold on the zip file. And here, once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear at the bottom. So from there, you can just tap on the three dot icon. And here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on the rename option. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can just tap on the text box, and here you can simply remove ZIP, and there you can simply type APK and simply press enter. And now here, once you do that, then the app will be converted from zip to APK file. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.